guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I just want to show you how to attach these magnetic buttons on our beaded bag. I really wish that I got the ones that they got the holes for a thread to pass through, but unfortunately this one they did not have, so I just have to work around them. So this is the pack that they came with. Sewing notions, elegance. So I got it from Dubai Center. Magnetic buttons, they are like 20 rand. So without a waste of time, also I've used it already, but there's the pack that it came with. It's a super glue. It's good for plastic and metal, because our beads are plastic and our magnet is metal. Okay, so yeah, without a waste of time, I'm gonna show you making use of this bag. Okay, so we're gonna start with our bottom one. So this is how it looks, guys. It doesn't have a place to pass our thread. You know, I guess I'm supposed to take it and like, okay, so now we can start. So we're gonna start with the bottom one. So this is how it look, guys. It doesn't have a place to pass our thread. If so, I was gonna use a thread to do so, but this is what I got, so I'm gonna make it work. So okay, to start with, we're gonna go like, we have to put it in the middle, right? So, and we have to make sure. So we're gonna go like, count the middle. So it's gonna be, so this bead over here is our middle. So I'm gonna take it down also. I'm gonna count 1 2 3. So I'm gonna attach it on this bead over here. So to demonstrate also, I can just, you know, before glue, and it's already like this without a glue. So, and this is how it is inside. You see, we cannot see. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and apply glue over there. You have to be very careful with this glue because it's very super glue and can be all over the place as well. Okay, I'm gonna apply a generous amount over here as well, not to make it messy. Okay, so then I'm gonna put it the same way I did first time. Okay, then I'm just gonna let it dry a little bit before I put the top one. Okay, so yeah. Okay, in the meantime, let me show you how we are going to do this one. So it's like this, right? So we're going to put this one over here, then bend it inside, all of it. Okay, like so. So we're going to put our glue on the silver one and over here, and also as we did with the other one, we are going to count. Then we check how it's going to be. Okay, so I have to make sure that it's level. So it's going to be over here. So it's going to be over this 4 beads over here. Okay, so we're going to put a little amount over here. Okay, a little amount over here. as well as over here. Just a little. Okay, we can always go and do it again if it's not enough. Okay, so it's over here. We're going to attach it. It sticks very fast. Ooh, my fingers are sticking together. Okay, let me try to lay it flat. Oh no, you see what I'm trying to say? Let me try. Oops. Okay, to act on this one like this, then we touch from here, right? Before I forgot, it's over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. My number 6. Okay, like so. So we're just gonna wait for some minutes. I don't know how many, but yeah, we're just gonna wait. Okay.